We all have dreams. Things we long for, no matter how much we have achieved. Most people let their dreams be dreams. But others go all out to turn them into reality. For those, we build the best yachts money can buy. But we do something bigger than that. We create experiences that surpass all material possession. Therefore, we're not just in the business of building super yachts. We're in the business of fulfilling dreams. Our yachts are renowned for their exceptional performance in speed, range, and stability. We build them entirely in-house of the hardest steel and strongest aluminium. And we do so with passion and a hunger for perfection. You know what? It's a good thing we're a Dutch company. Because at Heesen Yachts, we know all there is to know about building ships and conquering seas. With the finest, best skilled people, we push the boundaries every day. This has made us the world's leading builder of high-performance yachts. Crafted in Holland. Home of yacht building.